Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Thysiamore, and you're tuned into BIO with Thysiamore. If you're a new subscriber, well, welcome to the family. Be sure to turn on the post notification so you do not miss it whenever I post a new video. And if you have been here for a while on this channel, well, thank you so much for sticking around and watching all my videos. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to lighten your underarm, your bikini line, and pretty much any dark area that you want to get rid of. Okay, so without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. Okay, you guys, welcome back. Be sure to stay with me until the end of this video because I have a bonus tutorial for you guys and you guys don't want to miss out. So now we are going to be talking about some of the reasons why you have dark underarms, dark bikini lines, dark kneecaps, dark thighs, and etc, etc. Okay, so for dark underarms, some of the reasons why we have dark underarms is the kind of deodorant you use, the kinds of roll-on you use down there. Some of them are really bad, and over time using them could make you have dark underarms. Okay, and also not exfoliating your underarm over time leads to dark underarms as well. Now, if you're from an African home, you know that when we were much younger, our parents always taught us to use the sponge, to sponge every dirt off our body. Now, that is a very, very helpful tip. Okay, if you have been doing that over time and you did not feel mama on that, then you're doing well. Okay, so because that sponge helps you get rid of dead skin cells that accumulate over time from bacteria and a lot of other things that could lead to dark underarms or dark lines or what have you. So another tip or another reason why we have dark underarms is sweat. Okay, when you sweat a lot, when you sweat excessively, you could get dark underarms, especially after sweating and you do not clean or wash or exfoliate. This could lead to dark underarms. Now, for dark thighs or dark bikini lines, some of the reasons why we have that is the kind of panties we use. Okay, if you wear tight panties a lot, or you wear unbreathable panties, panties that air cannot go through, this would cause dark bikini line or dark thighs. Okay, so you want to wear breathable panties. Okay, especially if you sweat excessively or you put on trousers a lot, you want to wear breathable panties. Okay, so air could penetrate and allow the bacteria or whatsoever that causes those things not to flow through. So like I said, you want to wear breathable panties, and then you want to avoid using scented soaps to wash in between your thighs or in there, wherever. Just be very, very, very careful with doing that. It's not a good thing to do at all. And also, you want to exfoliate your thighs. Okay, so do your best, try as much as possible to exfoliate your thighs. You could a washcloth, or you could use a different sponge, different from the one you use on your normal body. So you want to do that often. And yeah, so these are some of the reasons why we have dark underarm, dark thighs, and etc. So again, like I said, I'll show you how to use a couple of natural products to lighten any dark area that you have. Alright, so without any further ado, let's jump right into ingredients and let's make this mixture so we can get rid of those dark areas.
Okay, you guys, so for ingredient, the first thing we'll be needing is tomato. Tomato is a great skin bleaching agent. And the next thing we'll be needing is lemon. Lemon is also a great skin bleaching agent. We'll also be needing turmeric. Turmeric is great for fading out dark spots in our body. We'll also be needing a filter to extract the lemon and tomato juice. We'll be needing a grater as well to grate the tomato to get as much juice as we want, and also we'll need a plastic bowl to mix everything together. So right now I'm just going to cut my tomato into 2 parts. I'm going to work with 1 part first and go back to the other later. So right now I'm going to grate this first part to extract as much juice as possible from it, and I'm going to really work my way in. And right now I'm going to sieve so I could get the main juice out of this. If you guys are going to be working on less areas of your body, then you could go with half tomato. That's totally fine. But if you're working with more areas, then you could use the full tomato. So right now I'm just extracting the lemon juice as well. If you do not have lemon, then you could also reach out for lime. Lime is also very, very great, guys. So I'll be extracting the first part of the lemon and also the second part. So this is the mixture of lemon and tomato. Right now I'm just adding turmeric. I believe this is about 1 tablespoon from my boiling it, which is great for this mixture. So I'm going to be mixing everything together. I'm going to reach out for a spoon to better mix everything together. Yeah, so guys, this is what it looks like, and right now we're just going to apply it. So this is what my underarm looks like, and this is not from applying this mixture, guys. Honestly, my underarms are like this because I exfoliate often, not like I've used this mixture before. This is my first time, honestly. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm just using this brush. I recommend you guys use a cotton pad. This is because this mixture is super watery, and while using this brush it was just rolling down my body, causing a huge mess. So it was all I had. I ran out of cotton pads, and I didn't know I ran out of cotton pads on time before making this video. So you guys just reach out for a cotton pad, or you could use a brush like I'm doing. This is my old painter's brush. I only use this for my skin, honestly. I don't use it for anything else. So right now I'm just massaging my fingers to better concentrate the mixture under my arm, and I'm going to be leaving this overnight.
Okay, you guys, so that was me applying the mixture on my underarm. You could use this mixture in between your legs, in between your thighs, on your kneecaps, pretty much anywhere you have dark scars, dark spots, wherever it is. Okay, now caution, if you're using this in between your thighs, okay, you want to protect the V area. Okay, you could probably use a tampon to close the area so the mixture doesn't go in by mistake, or you could just be very careful with the way you're applying it. Okay, alright, so that's just it. Now if you haven't seen my previous video on how to exfoliate your skin, you better check that out. I'll leave a card to that video right here, so you guys go check it out. It's also a good way of exfoliating your body, and using that method to exfoliate your body can also gradually fade out dark scars wherever you use it. Okay, it's also safe to use in between your thighs, provided you secure the V area before applying it. Okay guys, so I'm going to be leaving this overnight. Okay, we're going to come back tomorrow to show you guys the result that we get from using this mixture. You guys remember I promised you a bonus tutorial, and you guys remember the leftover of the tomatoes we have. So this is going to be for your face. Okay, this technique that I'm about to show you guys now can instantly lighten your skin, brighten it, make it to glow. You guys are going to see that right now. Okay, so this is the leftover of the tomatoes we have, and I already have my face washed. Okay, so we are going to be taking a little bit of the turmeric powder, and right now we are just going to just like this. Okay, you guys know tomato and turmeric is very wonderful. Turmeric prevents pimples, fade out acne scars, brightens the skin, and tomatoes is a great skin bleaching agent. Trust me, you guys, it can whiten, it can lighten your skin, fade out dark spots instantly. So we're going to do this. You guys can do this at night before you sleep. It is best, so it will work over the night. Now I'm going to gently, you guys know the rule of this. Now coupled with this, you know you have to be way more careful, okay, else you're gonna mess up everywhere. If you guys want to gently massage this over your face while squeezing, you know, okay, squeezing. Okay, so I just washed my towel and I don't need it again, so I'm just going to pull this up. Okay, yeah, I'm going to pull it up that way. Now I'm going to continue. You guys see I'm pressing, okay, and I'm scrubbing. Okay, you can take your time with this. It's a good home skincare recipe for you. I'm just going to go over all over your face. Okay, remember to press so the tomato juice can come out. Massage this, take your time and massage this all over your face, all areas, guys, you know, all areas of your face. Remember to press so the tomato juice can come out. Okay, now you guys know you're not meant to use this tomato afterwards to cook or anything. All right, afterwards we're just going to throw it into the trash can and that will be the end of Solomon Grande. Okay, so I'm going to take my time to really press this in. All right, and I'll be right back. Okay,
a few moments later.
What I look like at the moment, I know I look crazy, but no problem. This is what my skin looks like. I'm going to be leaving this for about 20 minutes at most, and then I'm going to wash it up with normal water. Okay, by the way, the mixture we used under the arm can also be used for the face. All right, but lemon can be very harsh on some people's skin. That is one of the reasons I did this bonus tutorial, so you know you can use this on your face but without lemon and without having to extract the tomato juice, you know, mixed with the turmeric. You can just do it the way I showed you on your face, like this. Okay, so the mixture can be, so this is what my face looks like. Like I said, I'll be leaving it for a couple of minutes, 20 minutes at most, and I'm going to wash it up with cold water and I'll be back to show you guys what I look like. Okay, you guys, so skin after washing my face. Yes, this is what my skin looks like. You guys can see a difference. You guys see how bright my skin is looking, how very awake I look right now. You guys see that? Yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, which is the bell icon next to the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.